Thank you, Miss Mortgage Broker, for your question. We were talking about the Dash 4 election. And so this is a specific election that those with businesses that also have commercial property can take advantage of. My name is Paul Vasquez with Tax Lab. We help people become ethical millionaires. So the Dash 4 election is for those who own a business and own property. Now, as a business owner, you may need to go out and have a business location, a storefront, a factory, a storage facility, someplace where you operate your business out of, where you might see customers and clients, you might take shipments in, and you would go into the market for commercial real estate and maybe rent something. And you would pay a fair rental price for that use of that building. Now, this might also mean that your business is paying the utilities, paying to fix it up. A lot of times, this happens in commercial real estate. It's not like maybe a residential rental where the resident doesn't take care of any maintenance. In many commercial contracts, a commercial tenant will also take care of maintenance and take care of those fees. So as the business owner who's renting that location, all those things become a write-off. The rent expense becomes a write-off. The utilities are a write-off. Any maintenance or upkeep would also qualify as a business write-off. Now, what happens if you happen to also own that real estate? Normally, you're not going to be able to take a rental deduction if you also own it. But this is where the Dash 4 election comes in. Now, you have to set this up right. I do suggest working together with a tax advisor like us here at Tax Lab, or the tax preparer or advisor of your choice. Of course, we recommend us, but you probably want to work closely with them because they're going to help you, and you want to do this in the first year. And oftentimes, you're also going to want to make sure that it's not the same entity that owns both the business and the property. You probably want a separate LLC to own that commercial real estate. You don't want to do this with residential normally, so be careful there. This isn't a way of necessarily paying your home rent and mortgage that way, but commercial property, that's where this Dash 4 election comes in. If you want more information about this personally, or want to sit down with us, go ahead to lab.tax, click on Advisory Services for a free 15-minute introductory phone call. We can put together a plan that works for you, that takes you from where you are now and gets you to millionaire status. Anyways, thank you for the question. Wish you well on all your business journey, and I wish you all the success.